How to add header background in WordPress. Before we start, check out the best hosting recommended by professionals with decades of testing and experience. To choose yours, click the link in the descriptions below. So first of all, we need to head over to the appearance on your left side, and then you need to tap on this customize. Depending on your theme that you have currently on your WordPress site, it totally depends on that particular theme whether you are going to have a background image or not. Now as you can see, I am on my customize page where I can customize each and everything of my website. And if I scroll down on this particular page settings, as you can see, I don't have any option of background image. If your theme support the background image, you will be seeing this in the B section, which is going to set your background image as quickly as possible. So right now I am using Astra theme, which is most popular theme on WordPress. So if I tap on change, I can choose between these themes that have background image. But in order to check whether it has a background image or not, you need to tap on the theme details, and then you need to read at least main features of the theme, whether they are going to support the background theme or not. The other method to customize your site is you just need to go back to your main dashboard and then tap on this visit site, and this will take you to this page where you need to just go to the inspect. Then we are looking for the body, and as you can see, again I don't have any background image that I can change, as it is totally depend on the theme that you are using right now. So hope this help. This is how you can add header background in WordPress.